this for you guys before the school year ends.
And for both of us as a senior.
And I'll be starting year off. This has really been an amazing year with Hmong Club. I know that we all have our busy schedules, but I'm glad that you members are still attending our meetings. I can't really explain how much fun I've had with you guys. I've learned so much from each and every one of you. And although we've had some difficulties along the way, we were able to succeed with your help. To make this short, I would like to thank the members for their hard work, commitment, and being fun, along with the other officers for being the backbone of this wonderful club. Even though our two officers are leaving for college, and the others also leaving for college-ish, we will always welcome you to visit in the future.
Yeah, like you guys. You know, when I'm gone next year, I just really hope you. Okay, I just really hope that you guys really take Hmong Club to advantage because, you know, Hmong is your identity. You know, it is who you are, and I think that you should really acknowledge that and really, you know, bring out there to the community, not also, but also to like your peers and to the members. So next year, I hope to come back and visit you guys, and hope you guys become more confident and, you know, have more energy and just really grow.
Hi you guys, of course, Mr. President. It's really been such an honor being your president this year and working with you all. I don't even know to explain the feeling of coming to Hmong Club every day. You guys have made my Mondays. You guys have made it so awesome, and I'm really gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss you all so much, and definitely both of the officers have talked so much about going and plans for next year. Please continue to come and be dedicated to Hmong Club and continue to make Hmong Club grow to be a better club that we already are. I'm gonna miss you guys so much. So I know I look really bad right now, but you guys all look wonderful, and I'm really gonna miss you guys so much. Thank you all so much. Okay.
So like, just have fun.